Hi, this is Will from Orchid Farm Tech. I'm going to give you an overview of Orchid's new cloud herd management system for dairy. When we say cloud, this simply means that your data and all the software functionality, the screens, are held on a remote computer, the Orchid server. This has the immediate benefit that you can access your data from any computer that's connected to the internet. You've also got true multi-user, multi-site operation, so you can have several users inputting and accessing data at the same time. Another major advantage is that you don't have to install, configure or maintain any software or do any data backups. Everything is held securely on our server, and we look after all the techie IT stuff, and you simply log in and just use the system. As you can see, as a cloud-based system that runs through your web browser, everything is very simple, very point and click. If you can navigate a website, you'll be able to use Orchid FarmWizard. As soon as you log in, you've got a cluster of buttons here which allow you to access the most commonly needed data entry screens. The Herd Manager section allows you to basically keep all of your cross-compliance records. So we're basically talking about the herd register, the movement book, and you can also link to the BCMS for passport applications, movements, reporting deaths, and there's also an instant cross-check function, so you can actually compare the list of animals on the CTS with your own farm-based records in Orchid. This is very handy to do on a regular basis, so that if you had a spot inspection, you can have peace of mind that everything will be in step with the BCMS. We've also got the vet centre here where you can record purchases of drugs onto the farm, similarly for feeds, and you can produce a range of reports for what we call quality assurance. That is to say, everything for cross-compliance, movement book related, purchases of medicines and feedstuffs, and also veterinary treatments. You simply select the start and end date, any other report parameters, and then just click the button to run the report. Also at the bottom we've got a bovine herd profile, which allows you to select a historical date and then generate a list of animals that were on the holding at that time. This can be useful for end of financial year or closing stock valuations. I'm just going to scroll down to the Milk Manager section. The Milk Manager allows you to maintain the breeding calendar and also interact with milk recording agencies, NMR, CIS, QMMS, and you can also do other things like import yields from your milking parlour, where it has the ability to exchange data with management programs. So let's just have a quick look. If we go to the milk records section first of all, so assuming that you are loading in milk test data from one of the testing agencies, you can see you've got various analyses and reports. So on the default screen it will show you the best and worst performing cows. You can select the number that are listed from the drop down here, and you can also select the metric that they're listed by. So we've either got lactation to date or just the latest test for yield, fat and protein. On some of the sub-menus you've got the ability to look at just the latest milk test, and you can filter the data by various criteria, so it's simple, more than, less than the value that you type in, and then click the search button to produce the filtered list. Also cell count reports, which are very useful. You can set a threshold and then list cows that are exceeding that threshold. And again, you can sift and sort these reports. Each column heading is clickable, so you can actually sort by that column. Okay, on the breed cycle manager, you've got the ability to produce a flexible action list for the week ahead. So the settings in the program, you can actually store the days dry, the days to PD, and basically the program will create reports based on those settings. So as well as the due to calve, due to serve, due to dry off, you've got a bit more detail as well. So we've got things like cows that are being served 3 more times and not yet in calf, and when you actually click on the brand number, it will take you to the relevant cow card. At the top you've got a summary: cows in calf, milking and dry, and of course you can print that in a hard copy.